Hello and welcome to the 350i milling machine calibration video tutorial. Before you start, please make sure you have all the tools and supplies required for 350i calibration. You will need calibration disc, milling tool number 11, which is 2.5 mm ball for PMMA, micrometer or calipers, and 3 mm hexagon screwdriver. Install a calibration disc suitable for milling calibration bodies into the blank holder. If you are using a used blank, align the available space on the disc with the central line of the blank holder. Mount the blank holder with the calibration disc installed into the machine. Make sure the milling tool is installed and undamaged. Find the service folder located on the desktop of the milling machine control PC. Start evaluation software TK0 point from this folder. In the open window, click the 0 point and B-axis calibration button. In the next open window in section 1, select the milling machine model, which is 350i, and the type of the calibration body. We are going to mill the second one, which is the rectangular shaped with a cut corner. Section 2 gives a brief manual how to mill calibration bodies and indicates their location at the disc. Now you may leave TK0 point software opened. Start remote software and open the milling program for the calibration body. The milling program is found in folder on disk C, then NC Dayton, then 350i, then 350i calibration body. Open the 350i calibration body 312g.iso file and then initiate the milling program. After completing milling operation, take the holder out of the machine and carefully extract the calibration body out of the disc. Calibration body at position 3 is located closer to the lock pin of the blank holder. It has digit 3 engraved on the top. Try not to damage the calibration bodies as they might be very brittle. Go back to the control PC. Close remote software. It is important not to minimize the window but close it. Now return to TK0 point software. Click the next button. In this window we are going to enter the calibration body's measured values. All measured values are entered in millimeters. Start measuring with the calibration body from position 3. Make sure the measure thickness in the center of walls of the calibration body. If you are using calipers for measuring, you will need to cut one of the walls to measure the thickness of the top wall. Enter the values into the corresponding fields for the long wall, the short wall, and the top wall. Repeat the same process for the second calibration body. Click Calculate button and evaluate the calibration deviance values. If the calculated deviance values are 0.010 mm or less, then click Save button, then OK, then Exit, and the calibration is complete. If at least one of the values is greater than 0.010 mm, then after saving and exiting, repeat the calibration process from the very beginning. The 350i milling machine calibration video tutorial is complete. Thanks for watching and have a great one.